In this video, I'm going to show you a feature that all of the G Suite products have where there's a commenting box that you can add. It's using the plus symbol feature, and let's take a quick look at what that looks like. Hey there, a quick tip in Google is to use the plus on your keyboard. So I'm going to take a quick look over here and let's hone in on our commenting features. So I have a word or a phrase or whatever it may be, and I want to add something as a comment. So I click on the comment, and in the comment box, I'm going to use a plus from the keyboard, and then I can use someone's name, like Tanya, and I can assign that to her. Or I could just say, I think you have something for this idea. Now, the nice thing about assigning it to somebody is that then they will get an email and then they will have to mark it as resolved. So I'm going to click on her name, click and assign, and then they'll be notified and responsible for marking it as done. So if I click on assign, then you'll see assign to Tanya Hernandez and then here. And that's how you use the plus feature. So if you use the plus and then you send someone a notification, you can have that back and forth with them. Best of luck with using that.